Hi Kayla, Mr. Lang here. Thank you for giving me your link to your ePortfolio so I can take a look at it. Man, it looks really nice. I really like your setup. I like all the attention to detail, even with your picture, with frames and everything. One thing I'm going to ask you to do is have somebody proofread your paragraph for you. This is going to be one of the first things that people will see. So one thing I can easily do is I'm simply copying that, and you can right click and choose copy. I use Control C on the keyboard, and I'm going to go ahead and throw this with a Control V into a Word document. And I really suggest again to take a look at this and adjust different options that it may pop up. And it may not pop up everything. For example, you definitely want the capital U there. You may have some extra spaces there. Not sure why you just have a period in the middle there. So you want to make sure that you look through this and make some adjustments. And if you could do me a favor and please have somebody else read through this just to make sure that everything looks great, because this may not pick up everything. Again, it may not pick up all the things that you need. And I'm not quite sure why it is doing what it is doing here, because this should definitely be able to fit up on this line, but sometimes you may have to turn on your show hide. But anyways, go ahead and take a look at that, and you may want to have somebody look at that as well. So when you're done adjusting things in Word, go ahead and copy it back and throw that back into your editor. So let's go ahead and take a look at your resume page now. I like how you have that in the bottom. One thing that I noticed on your resume is I'm trying to click to download your resume, and I have to kind of go up to the corner. So click on this text in your editor and highlight that and link that to your PDF as well. Because if I do go up here, yes, it does open that up, and that is excellent, but adjust that. I'm also going to suggest to take out your address on the internet here. I would not have your address on there. You can have your email address, that's fine. I suggest that's going to be up to you, but I suggest to take that out. Looking down through your resume, see where you have a bulleted point right here? Go ahead and take that bulleted point out. You just want to have the bulleted points where you have information. And then you can see where you have your name and then the information. Objective, information. Education, the information. And then you got a space here with your experience. I would suggest to adjust that so that follows through with those as well. So you can also see that these you may want to adjust so that these items are just on an even plane there. So those are just some suggestions. Your experience page looks nice. I like all the different options that you have. Those all look good, as well as the additional items that you may have to and then you can see here, click to download your essay. Again, highlight through here and make that active too, because you have to kind of go to the corners, sometimes all the way down here, because this is still maybe a text box there. So adjust that as well, so that way we can do that. So I'm not sure what was going on there. Click to download your essay. Oh, my bad, it's downloading right here. You may want to make this a PDF as well. So make this document a PDF, and that's as simple as doing a save as. When you do a file, show you a tip here real quick. It may take a second. Well, actually, I think I'm trying to open up your beautiful paper, which I am. I'll choose Enable Editing. And then I'm going to go to File, Save As, and then I'm just going to choose this PC, and I'm just going to choose my desktop for right now. And then instead of the Word document, save that as a PDF. And then you can upload that to Wix and have them open that up in a PDF. I highly suggest it. Some people may not have Microsoft Word installed on their computer. Alright, so let's take a look at your Prezi. I'm pretty sure your Prezi looks very nice. I like how you have a link to it. Your Prezi was very well done. Nice introduction to it, nice title. And your contact me page, that looks nice as well. So things look pretty good. Just go ahead and do me a favor and adjust a couple options and you'll be golden. Have a great day, Kayla.